Welcome to class today. We're going to learn pronouns. 代词 pronouns. We shall see the pronouns in Chinese. They are in the singular and the plural forms. The singular forms of the pronouns are 我, which means I or me. 你, which means you. 您, which means you, is the respectful or honorable form of referring to your boss, teacher, customer, elderly person. A respectful form of referring to your superiors. Then we have ta. Ta means he or him, she, her, and it, referring to non-humans, animals, plants, furniture. So the singular pronouns we have are 我, 你, 您, 他. Now let's see the plural pronouns. To get the plural forms of these pronouns, we add men to the singular pronoun. Now let's see. 我们 means we. 你们 means you. 他们 means they. It is important that we bear in mind that 您 does not have a plural form. So the plural form of 您 is simply 你们. Now let's practice. I means 我. How do you say you? It is 你. How do you say he, him, she, her, it? Ta. How do you say we? 我们. How do you say they? 他们. How would you greet a friend or a neighbor? You say hello. That is 你好. If you walk into a classroom, how would you greet your teacher? Teacher, it means 老师. So you'd say, hello teacher. 老师您好. 老师您好. How would you greet a couple of friends when you meet them? You say, hello everyone. Hello. 你们好. How would someone or a neighbor ask after your parents? They would say, how are they? 他们好吗? How do you greet everyone? Maybe when delivering a speech. You will say, hello everyone. And that is 大家好. 大家好. Da means big. 家 means family. 大家好. Now let's see the table of your personal pronouns. Under the singular pronouns we have 我, 你, 他, 我, 你, 您, 他. Under the plural pronouns we have 我们, 你们, 他们. As a reminder, you should remember that 您 is a respectable form of referring to your superiors, and it does not have a special plural form. It is 你们 as a plural form. So when you say 您好, the plural form is 你们好. 您好, 你们好. This is the end of the class on pronouns for today. Please tell a friend to tell a friend. Please subscribe and like and share. Invite your friends to class next time. 再见.